So moving on to stencil number 3, this actually has 2 elements. We're going to be doing the leaves and the flowers. So line it up, tape it down if you want to, and we'll go in with the next color, deepest color of green, or whatever color it is that you choose. I'll be doing Lime Rickey for the leaves. So now I've got the color of the leaves down. I'm going to go in with Party Dress and go right over the top of that, and you pretty much know the drill. By the end of this, you can ink blend in your sleep. As you can see, I'm pulling out all different brands of ink blending brushes. I am not in favor of one particular one. I just use them all. They're all fine. So once you get the good amount of ink color down, now you can even be heavy-handed in the center and a little bit lighter when you're going around the edges of those flowers, and you can create some pretty shading. Look how pretty that is. I mean, I wouldn't be able to draw that. I certainly won't be able to draw it. And I find lining up layering stamps are a lot more difficult than lining up a layering stencil. I don't know why, but it just is. And I am a huge fan of these layering stencils. She has an entire line of layering stencils with the coordinating die, and I own them all. Every single one of them. As soon as she started introducing dies to her layering stamps, I was sold. And these take up no room at all. So easy.